Today we are at the pull apart to search for some parts, some modules, especially CAS 3 I need. What a dark tint, you cannot see anything inside of this 5 Series. It's a gangster car. It's not smelling, but it's an old non-LCI car. Yeah, black headliner destroyed, black leather, but this is the cheap one. Oh, rear window sunshades. This is expensive option. It's rare in Europe, and the rims are nice. Yeah, 740 Li, E46 I see there. So we need to search for an F Series or a Mini, an LCI Mini. We can find a CAS 3 Plus that I need. I also be interested in a CAS 4 from an F Series, an old X3, an old X5, another E65, but it's a non-LCI model. E46, a Mini. Let's see. The dashboard, it's already torn apart. 2007, so this is an old one. The CAS, it's gone. Yeah, this one will have CAS 3 simple, not a CAS 3 Plus. 528i, what beautiful tail lights and beautiful color also, I love it. It's an LCI, you know, from the trunk line. It's a nice, interesting interior. Oh, iDrive controller. iDrive controller. I think I will take this with me. But first, let me see. Let me see if I can find what I need. An Mercedes, an ML CLK, an LCI E53. It's a beautiful car, beautiful color. The LCI model on this X5, it's beautiful on the outside, tail lights and headlights, front, everything. Let's see, Mercedes, a 3 Series, E90, another E90. Headlights are gone. The engine, it's torn apart. This is what is this? Let's see. Okay, we have something interesting here. Big screen, the navigation, the CIC, it's still here. Start stop button, I need this for my testing bench. What is this here? Ooh, high tech fancy stereo. Okay, so head up display. Oh, nice. And extended cluster. I'm curious how much they will charge for the cluster. Okay, so I will start to tear this car apart, especially if I know that the CAS is inside. Good job. Yeah, so after removing all the parts, I have here a CAS with comfort access and the ZGM light module, but I don't think I will take the light module. I'll take the ZGM and the CAS module. So I got everything out that I needed. CAS, ZGW, start stop button, the key reader, coil, one antenna, because I didn't have those on my bench test. I don't know if I will take this out. This is the MBT with MBT screen and cluster. I will think about these things, but I needed to pull this out to get the video cable between the MBT and the screen. So the trunk lid is missing on this car, and we have here hi-fi amplifier, TCB, phone module, and the rear view camera module, but they've been exposed to rain. You see there's water inside here, and I don't know if they're good or not, and it's not worth it. Ooh, an LCI E65, E66 is this one. let's see what we get inside here. From get-go, no night vision, no active cruise control, old stock steering with heated steering wheel. Yeah. The screen is missing. The ugly gray interior. All US cars, almost all of them, they have this interior with active seats, but only on the driver's side, the same. Only the US 7 Series had this thing. Yeah, everything seems to be here, but yeah, it's not for me. And the engine is still here. Let's see this E90, but this is an old one. Where is the sticker on this car? It's here in the back. 2007. Oh, but I saw this one. Let's search for more. And this one, the same. It's a very old one from the engine. 2006. Yeah, no. Another thing that I saw here in the States, everyone are in love with these old E90s, and some of them, they are priced on some unimaginable prices. I don't know, from my point of view, in Europe, at least in Romania, from where I came, these cars have no value. Of course, the M3s, yeah, they are valuable, but the rest of them, they have no value. But there is another thing. In Europe, most of them, they have the 4-cylinder engines. Probably that's why they are not so valued. That even if they will have the bigger engines, in Europe the taxes are expensive and they don't worth. Another one here. This one, it's beat up. They removed everything here. It's an old one. It's a 09, and it's a sad one. When I see these dashboards without the hump for the navigation, they look like, I don't know, a chick without an ass, or it is. And you can find this equipment, this lack of equipment on E90s here, on almost all of them. Let's see, another E60, but this is an old one. Yeah. What we have here? What is this? Yeah. Destroyed. It's a nice car for parts, for sure. This one, it's so destroyed, so neglected, but I'm pretty sure you will find some good parts here. So I have found a Mini, Drake style Mini, and it's a 2011. And if you see a Mini with the dashboard in place, that means the CAS module, it's still here. They pulled out the navigation. Oh no, it's here. Let me see. It was a sad Mini without navigation. They pulled out the FRA module. Okay. So I will pull out the CAS module. So turn on the dashboard. Got my CAS 4 Plus. It's C4. I already checked the processor. It's exactly what I need. O15Y. So yeah, another victory. Let me see if I can find another one with the FRM module. I'll take 2 or 3 FRMs to have at my disposals. Sometimes I have clients, customers that ask for the module itself. They don't want to repair the old module, so I need to have one already for them to have it. Probably some of you that are watching this video will scream like hell, take those pillars, especially if you have a Mini like this. But for me, these pillars, they don't have any value now. Yeah, probably I can resell them, but I don't have time to do that. Sunroof, the sunroof visor, it's in okay-ish condition. Probably need to clean the roller. Let's see what engine this car has. That is the transmission. The engine, it's in the factory. Yeah, so FRM3. Who has an FRM3 for me? So these guys have FRM2. I don't need it. Even if I have some cars with FRM2, I can upgrade them to FRM3, or even if I don't upgrade them, most of the times the problems on FRM2s I can repair. The relays for the windows, they can be replaced, and so on. Okay, let me think, let me see. So that is the F10. Another E65 here. $745. Volvo, Mercedes, Volvo, Volkswagen. Okay. Another E65. That one was violated. Let's see on this other row. Let's see this E46. The trunk is open, there are some tools. It's a convertible one. We have a CD player, 4 electric windows, DSC, tire pressure, heated seats. Yeah. It's an old car. You see, this one had this sticker since was new. They didn't remove it. Another E60 back there. Let's see. I think these are all. I need to go on their website to check to see if there is another newer BMW on the list except that F10. So the only new FRM that is here, the only new BMW 3 Series that is here is this one. It's 2009, but it has the FRM2 LED. Interesting. FRM2 with LEDs. Yeah, this is all from this yard. I'm not interested in the other cars. I'm here for BMWs. There is an old E39 there. Has a CD player on it. There is a woman that is removing some parts, so I didn't film her. Some privacy. So yeah, let's go and check to see how much these parts will cost me. And yeah, we'll go from there. Last time when I was here, there was an X3 F25 from which I took the rear LED taillights, but the car is gone. I wanted to pull the harness for those. I was thinking maybe I will retrofit my X3 with LED rear lights, but it's not here anymore. Yeah, see you soon. So we are out, back in the car. The total was $198 paid with my car. So the display screen was $20, radio CD player stock $29, 3 control modules, 85, ignition push button, 14 bucks, wire harness, 19 bucks. Yeah, not bad, not bad. But you need to take in consideration that you need to drive here, you need to go inside of the yard, in the sun, in the dust, water, oil. You need to remove those parts. Yeah, this period it's nice to be outside, but in the summer I've been here and man, I was done. Yeah, and this was the day with Ovi at a pull apart to get some modules. If you like this video, hit the like button. Thank you and stay awesome. Bye now.